Everyone wants to improve their life, but almost no one stays consistent. And it's not because people are lazy, it's because they start strong, and then burn out. I've been there too. So in this video, I'll show you 5 simple steps that actually stick if you follow them the right way. A few months ago, I told myself, this is it, I'm going to change everything. New routine, big goals, perfect habits. Day 1 amazing, day 3 still going, day 7 completely off track. And that's when I realized, the problem wasn't motivation, the problem was my approach. So instead of trying to do everything, I simplified everything. Step 1, reset your mindset. Before you fix your life, you need to fix the way you think about yourself. Because if deep down you believe, I'm inconsistent or I always quit, you'll keep proving that to yourself again and again. I used to do the same thing, but one small change helped. I stopped labeling myself and started rebuilding my identity. Now it's simple. I'm someone who is improving every day. Not perfect, just improving. Step 2, build a simple daily routine. This is where most people go wrong. They try to build the perfect routine, and end up following it for 2 days. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. So keep it simple. Divide your day into 3 parts, morning, work, night. Even if your routine is basic, if you repeat it daily, it becomes powerful. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, here I upload content that helps you improve yourself and your life. For more content, subscribe to the channel, and enable the bell icon for more contents. Step 3, set clear goals, and take action every day, because a goal without action is just a wish. Instead of saying, I want success, ask yourself, what am I doing today for it? Break your goals down, make them small enough to actually do. Even 1 hour of focused work every day, no distractions, no excuses, can put you ahead of most people in a few months. Step 4, build habits. And rely on discipline. Here's the truth no one likes to hear. You won't feel motivated most days. Some days you'll feel tired. Some days you won't feel like doing anything. That's normal. The difference is, disciplined people still show up. Start small, 10 minutes reading, 20 minutes workout. No phone for the first 30 minutes. It feels small now, but these habits slowly change who you are. Step 5, upgrade your lifestyle. This is where things start to feel different. Improve your appearance, not for others, but for your own confidence. Stand better, dress better, take care of yourself, focus on your health. Because without energy, nothing else works. And pay attention to your circle, because the people around you either pull you forward or hold you back. At the end of the day, self-improvement isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up on the days you don't feel like it. If this helped you even a little, don't just watch, take action, and hit that like button, and share this video to your friends. You don't need to change everything overnight. It's about doing the small things, again and again, until they become your life.